Total wireless signal problems often stem from band switching issues between LTE and 5G, signal interference, and coverage limitations. Band switching occurs as your device tries to find the best signal, but sometimes it can get stuck or switch unnecessarily, impacting performance. Interference from things like Wi-Fi routers, physical barriers such as walls, or even other electronic devices can also weaken your signal. Finally, Total Wireless, while using Verizon's network, can still have coverage gaps, especially in rural areas or during peak usage times in cities. First, manually select your preferred network type in your phone's settings, such as LTE or 5G, to prevent unwanted band switching. Next, identify and minimize interference by moving away from potential sources like walls or appliances, or using a different Wi-Fi channel. Enable Wi-Fi calling in your phone's settings, under Phone on iOS or Network and Internet on Android, to use your Wi-Fi network for calls and texts when your cellular signal is weak. As a last resort, try resetting your network settings to clear any configuration issues. If problems persist, contact Total Wireless support to further diagnose your issue.